I'm going to teach you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So first you're going to need everything you need. You're going to need your utensils, your peanut butter and jelly, and your bread. So what you're first going to start doing is open the bread. You're going to open the bread up, and then you're going to get 2 pieces out. You're going to put them both out on the plate, and then you close up the bread. And now you can either do peanut butter or jelly, which I like to do peanut butter first. So you're gonna get your knife. You're gonna get your knife. You're gonna just get a little bit to start with. You're gonna spread it on one, and then you go back to get more. Keep on going until it's fully covered, because then that means it's fully covered. Okay, so now we leave that aside. We close up our peanut butter. We won't need that anymore. So now we get our jelly. You just get a little bit to start, like what you do with the peanut butter, and you just plop it on there, and then you just like move it around, because then it'll go onto the bread and you won't have to smush it. And then you get some more. Get most of it on there. You put them both on it, and then you can plop it on like this. And then you can't eat it like this, or you can cut it in half. And then you eat it. That's tasty.